Now, of course, the Matric rewrite has been set aside. That's our breaking news story this hour. And let's get reaction from Sadtu's General Secretary, Mugwena Maluleke. Mugwena, thanks for your time. Appreciate it. Of course, the judge here ruling in your favor, saying that the decision was unlawful.
Thank you for having us indeed. We welcome the outcome of the court and the judgment to set aside the decision of the minister that our children may not rewrite the two papers, and therefore ordering that the papers of these learners who were not involved in the leakages should be marked and therefore follow the management's plan. We really feel that it's important that indeed in future the Department of Education should be able to comply with the regulations that are there, but also understand what is the meaning of consultation and rationality in terms of taking any other decision. It should not be a decision that are taken based on fear, but based on facts and reasons. And so far we welcome this decision. We feel that our learners were really traumatized, our learners were really depressed, and therefore it comes at a time when they will then be able to have write those remaining subjects without any pressure so far.
So let's talk about the next move from the Basic Education Department. They were adamant that this rewrite happened because of the credibility of the entire process. They're likely, and I'm not saying they are officially, but they are likely to challenge this decision, and perhaps learners would have to rewrite that paper at a later stage.
Well, that will be very irresponsible for them to really challenge this particular decision, because basically what the judgment says is that they have got other mechanisms that they're supposed to be using in order for them to be able to isolate those particular learners who have been involved in the spread in this leakage or using the papers that have been leaked. And therefore that is what we have been arguing, that this is possible for us to be able to do, and those who are involved then can rewrite per the concession by the minister. It doesn't mean that those who are cheating are automatically going to be given the opportunity to rewrite, but basically they will then be given the concession by the minister in terms of the law if they have got to rewrite, but based on facts that they shall have performed a forensic marking as well as investigative marking and really tracing the learner's performance from grade 11, including any other test that the learner has made. So there's a lot of mechanism to use to really compare whether this is the learner who should have got a total or not get a total.
All right, thank you so much for your time. Appreciate it. Sadtu's General Secretary, Mugwena Maluleke.